So in the kitchen, layout really is everything, and I cannot stress that enough. Proper layout makes prepping, cooking, and cleanup much easier. It also improves storage, function, and flow, which are things that you'll appreciate right away and for years to come. On the plus side, if you ever decide to move, the new homeowners will appreciate the improved layout as well. So I'd call that a smart long-term investment. So when it comes to kitchen layout, there are many configurations. One-wall kitchens to galleys to G-shape to L-shape to U-shape. Which is ideal? There's no one right answer. It really depends on how much space you have to work with, the shape of your home, and the way you use space. So this kitchen that I'm standing in is technically an L-shaped with an island. This is a very popular layout. It's using available space efficiently. It's also great for prepping and cooking. The island has a sink, which is part of the functionality, but it's also got seating, which is great for entertainment. Now, cooking and prep happens over here. Hanging out is happening obviously on the other side. The refrigerator and the oven are against the walls, and from above, it looks like an L, obviously, with the island popped in. A good starting point for figuring out your layout is something you may have heard of. It's called the work triangle. Let me show you how it works. Traditionally, creating a triangle between the refrigerator, the stove, and the sink has been the way to go. Now, if you can keep that total distance between those 3 points between 12 and 26 feet, you're in good shape. This is on purpose. These are the 3 most used areas of the kitchen. You get food out of the fridge, you prep it, you cook it in the oven or in the stove, and then you clean up around the sink and the dishwasher again. All the while, if possible, this would be perfect, traffic flows around the triangle, never through it. If you have a bigger kitchen and you like to make slightly more complex meals, think of adding a second triangle between the fridge, range, and prep area. I know, 2 triangles is getting crazy. But one is for you, and one is for your sous chef, or your spouse, or the second most important person in the house. Let's just put it that way. You can add from there. Many professional kitchens have many different triangles. But one thing is for certain. The fridge is the coolest commodity in the home. So make sure it's on the outermost point of the triangle. It's the easiest point of access. That way your guests can get to it quickly, your kids can grab something without going in and obstructing the flow of the space. Now on the flip side, your range should be the least accessible point of the triangle. Notice here in this kitchen, it's against the wall away from traffic flow. Now, I wish that kitchen layout was that easy, but times are changing. And the way kitchens are being designed is evolving far beyond the work triangle. And when I get back, we'll talk about what's driving modern day kitchen layout design.